Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on Motorola Moto G10. So first, go into the settings of your phone. There should be right here. Then find display. And here we have brightness level and adaptive brightness. So first, disable the adaptive brightness. Take a microfiber and clean the front camera right here with the light sensors. Now go back and set brightness level to, for example, just lower it, and adaptive brightness, and enable. As you can see, it automatically changed the adaptive brightness to my brightness level with the surroundings. If nothing works, then you can restart your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.